Megan Fox, 36, and Machine Gun Kelly, 32, absolutely stole the red carpet the night of June 27, and there's a good reason why. It served as the premiere of the musician's life in Pink Hulu documentary. The husband and wife-to-be looked absolutely gorgeous as they walked the carpet in complimentary bubblegum pink outfits. Megan stunned in a tight, pink mini dress with spaghetti straps tied around her neck. She switched her signature brunette locks for a lightly waved bleach-blonde look with a hint of pink throughout. She paired the dress with pink strappy heels and had her nails painted in a light pink hue. The star of the night, MGK, donned a punk rock style pair of white dress pants that featured two large chains hanging from the front belt loops. A white belt with silver eyelets added to the early 2000s punk vibes. He completed his look with a hot pink and blue textured long sleeve shirt that was cropped, showing off his torso of tattoos. He accessorized with a pearl necklace and had his hair dyed a deep pink. The No More Sad Songs singer's documentary promises to show an in-depth look at the dramatic highs and lows of an artist chasing music's top spot while tackling noise from the outside world, stardom, fatherhood, and more, for Hulu's description. A sneak peek of the documentary recalled what may be one of the most intense moments of the rock star's life, during which he almost took his life. "I flew to my dad's apartment to clear all his stuff out, after his death. I had this really weird interaction with this neighbor who told me all these things I didn't want to hear, and that kept me up even more because I couldn't get closure on it," MGK recalled. He began moving into a very dark space mentally, and Megan, who was in Bulgaria shooting a movie, listened in on the phone, unable to offer much help from so far away. "I would always sleep with this shotgun next to my bed. One of the days, I just King snapped. I called Megan. I was like, you aren't here for me. I'm in my room, and I'm, like, freaking out on her," MGK explained. "I put the shotgun in my mouth. And I'm yelling on the phone and like the barrel's in my mouth. And I go to cock the shotgun and the bullet, as it comes back up, the shell just gets jammed." After that, Megan and MGK's daughter, Casey, 12, spoke to him about his worrying behavior, which he said made him kick the drugs. After a screening of MGK's Taurus film, he described how making art helps him through his trauma. "Because of the way that I grew up, I kind of push away everybody and every situation that has a positive outcome because I just kind of perceive myself as unworthy or low or undeserving, and that's been implemented since childhood. I'm learning a lot more about my childhood now and why I'm made like that," he said in a press briefing, per Us Weekly. "I have a real problem accepting happiness, and it's healthy watching it on screen to remind yourself like, okay, yeah, you don't want to end up like that guy. I always have a weird way of writing things on paper that come true.